Hi guys, welcome to the best for you. In today's 2-minute review, we are going to take a look at a camera called GoPro Hero10 Black. If you want to buy this camera, you can buy right now by checking the links in the description or in the comments. So let's jump into the video. GoPro Hero10 Black. It is the new flagship action camera with a new processor. Welcome to the newest and best GoPro around. It might look a lot like the GoPro Hero 9, but it is a pretty significant upgrade. It features the new G2 processor, which makes the interference super responsive, double the frame rates, and fuel the best image stabilization tech available in action cameras. The standard feature is its ability to do quad factor 3K 60p using GoPro Hero new Hyper Smooth 4.0 video stabilization. Also has the ability to show 23 megapixel photos and has the best low light performance of any GoPro yet. You can buy a wealth of accessories separately, so as well as mounting it on your helmet, you could attach it to your chest, your head, or even onto one of the best selfie sticks. And if you talk about specification, it has 153 grams weight, up to 60 fps at 5K video, up to 120 fps at 4K video, up to 240 fps and 1080p video, 23 megapixel resolution, and 1 to 32 hour best streak time. And that is huge. The good stuff I like about this camera is its fast user experience, increased frame rate, and hydrophobic lens coating. The bad stuff about this camera is that it is not compatible with old batteries, and it is bigger than the Hero 8 Black and Hero 7 Black. For more details and latest prices, check the links in the description. If this video is helpful, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe or follow us. Thanks for watching.